Okay guys, so let me introduce you guys to the ingredients. Okay, so you're going to be needing tuna. This is not tuna, this is salmon, canned salmon, or you can get a fresh salmon and cook it, but I think the canned one is much quicker. Okay, so you need a canned salmon fish. You need salt. We are going to just use a pinch of salt, very little salt. And then you need Dijon mustard. Also you need lemon juice, and then you need some mayonnaise as well, and black pepper. And then you need 6 eggs. So I got my eggs here, so you need 6 eggs. Okay, so those are all the stuff we are going to be using to prepare this our devilish salmon eggs. Okay guys, so you don't have to have an egg cooker to boil your egg. You can just put them in the pan and boil your egg. Okay, but I have an egg cooker here which I'm going to be using. So my egg cooker can cook up to 7 eggs. Okay, so you just need to put your eggs in the pan and then put your 6 eggs in the pan and cook them. But I'm going to be using my egg cooker to do mine. I just place them in the cooker and then I'll turn it on. And then when the eggs are cooked, you are going to put them in cold water. You are going to put them in cold water to cool down a bit, and then you peel the skin off. That's all you need to do. When they are cooled down a bit, you peel the skin off. Okay guys, so I've peeled my eggs, as you guys can see over here. I've peeled it. I have my bowl, plate, I have everything here. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to have the eggs. Okay, that's why I have this flat plate here. You have to have the eggs. You have them. You have to be careful though, so that the egg doesn't squash and it doesn't break. Okay, so you're going to have the eggs in 2. You know, egg can be very fragile, so you have your 6 eggs. My hands are clean already. Just have them and put them in the plate. So be gentle so that the egg doesn't squash. If not, the egg is just going to break apart. Oops. Okay, we did it. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to remove the bone, because this particular salmon, it's not tuna, salmon, it has a bone inside. So you are going to flake it in a bowl. Okay, you just take out the bone because it got bone inside. The bone is very soft though, but we don't need the bone. Okay, you can get the boneless one. I didn't realize this one has a bone. If not, I would have gotten the boneless one. So you just take out the bone and flake it. You need to also remove the skin as well. If it has a skin, you need to take out the skin as well if you want. I think it's better you take out the skin anyway, because I don't think this recipe doesn't have the skin inside, so you have to take out the skin and the bone, and then you just flake it. Okay, so this is salmon fish. Okay, so now what you want to do is that you want to get 3 tablespoons, the spoon you use to eat rice, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Into a clean bowl, a clean mixing bowl. 3 tablespoons. That's it. 3. I brought an extra just in case this wasn't enough. Okay, so now we are going to scoop the yolk into the mayonnaise. Okay, we're going to take all the yolk and put them into the mayonnaise. Be careful not to destroy the white shell, how will I call it. You just want to take all the yolk and put them inside the mayonnaise. So I'm going to be taking all of them out, then I'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, so I have scooped all the yolk in there, so we are going to mash them together. I have to mash it together. I'm using my spoon. I don't know if I should use my potato mash, but all you really want to do is mash the yolk and the mayonnaise together until it's smooth. Okay, just mash them together until it's very smooth. So I'm just using the back of the spoon to mash it together. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching so far. I have to try and see if I can mash it as smooth as possible. Just to mash it smoothly. Okay guys, so sometimes I'm able to mash it smoothly, sometimes I'm not able to mash it smoothly, but anyway, that is smooth enough for me. So now you are going to need half a teaspoon, you can see it's very small, half a teaspoon of lemon juice. I think I squeezed this lemon juice, I nearly poured it away. So half a teaspoon. Okay, you put it inside, and then you need 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Put it inside. Okay, and then you are going to need half a teaspoon of salt. This is my salt, the spoon is very small, but I'm still going to measure it. Half a teaspoon, he said, of salt. Okay, so that's what I'm going to put. Not so much salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then we are just going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper. Okay, and then you are going to put the flake salmon into this mixture. If you want, you can leave some salmon. If you want, you can leave some and put on top of the mixture. If you want, you can just leave some aside, but I'm going to mix everything together. So you just mix everything properly. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. If you like cooking videos like this, consider subscribing, and when you do subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Okay, so all you need to do is to mix it thoroughly. That's it, see? That's it, mix thoroughly. So what we are going to do now is we are going to scoop it into the eggs, the white. Okay, So you're just going to scoop it into the white. You can garnish this with dill, fresh dill, but I don't have that, so I'm just using what I have actually. So you just scoop it in there, and then you can always keep the rest of them. You can use the rest of it for, you can keep the remaining mixture, you can use it for things like sandwich, or you can use it for more of this devilish salmon egg. Okay, so just scoop it in there, and then you can also put them in the fridge and you can eat it later. But if you don't like your food to be too cold, then perhaps you can leave them in the room temperature. It tastes really yum. Give it a try. And this is also good for keto diets. If you are doing keto diet, this is perfect keto diet. It has very less carbohydrate. Okay guys, that's it. So I just keep the rest in the fridge, and then we can use it for sandwich later. Still got a bit there, and that's that. Let me show you guys properly. Okay guys, so that's my deviled salmon eggs. Okay, yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching this recipe. Give it a try. Hopefully you enjoy it. It tastes really nice guys, tastes nice if you're on a keto diet, or if you're just curious to try it out. And as I say, you can use the remaining mixture for sandwich. It's really nice. Okay, anyway, that's it. Food is ready. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.